let's make shrimp with lobster sauce. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by peeling the shrimp. The shrimp I'm using, it's already deveined. Now rinse it off. Wash the dirt off the mushroom. Now marinate the shrimp with the oil, salt, cornstarch, and mix well. Now remove the stem from the mushroom. Now slice into larger pieces. Next, add the cornstarch in the water to make cornstarch slurry. And then let's beat 1 egg. Now mince the garlic. Now it's time to cook. Now add the oil into hot pan. Add the shrimp to cook about 70%. And remove from the heat. Add some more oil and garlic. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Now add the mushroom. Add the peas and carrot. Now add the water. Add salt and sugar. Bring it to a boil. And add the shrimp back in. Bring it back to boil. Now add the cooking wine and chicken powder. Mix it all in. Now add the cornstarch slowly. Then slowly add the egg. Let it cook without touching it. And add the sesame oil. Remove from the heat and it's done. Taste test. The mushroom is very soft. The shrimp is very succulent. It is savory and tastes a hint of sesame oil. It's very good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。